Seeing the whales today, just awesome, absolutely mind-blowing. Seeing places we'd never thought we'd see. We've met a lot of new friends. Yeah, it's been great. Memories that you'll keep, you know.
Orca Spirit Adventures is Victoria's original whale watching company. We have people come from all over the world to Victoria because it is the best location to see orcas in the wild. We have amazing crew. They are so passionate about seeing the wildlife. Our Zodiac captain, Christian, has been doing it for over 15 years.
I think what's really fantastic about Orca Spirit is that the founders of Orca Spirit that started it years ago, they grew up on the coast. So it was founded on those principles, you know, a love for the ocean, a love for nature and being out here, a love for this coast. And I think that that's what guests will get from the experience. You know, they get a local's experience. They get somebody who was born and raised here.
We have the largest fleet of vessels, and it ranges from Scarab, which is the exciting, adventurous ride, to the Zodiacs. And then once you get into the covered vessels, we have so many options ranging from 12 passengers to 200 passengers. The most rewarding aspect of being involved with Orca Spirit is seeing the guests come off the tour and seeing their faces and being able to show them the wildlife that they may have been waiting their entire lives to see.